So this is a very quick overview of how to prepare for Zksync Airdrop. So I'm just going to point out things that you need to do, the activities you need to do to prepare for the Zksync Airdrop. So first thing you need to do is, if you're using your mobile phone, like if you're an Android user, you can install either of these two browsers, Kiwi browser or MISES browser. So if I'm using MISES browser now, at the top, make sure you have MetaMask installed, and this MetaMask, of course, is connected to the wallet where you have some ETH. Make sure you deposit some ETH to your wallet, some Ethereum to your wallet, because you're going to do a lot of activities that require Ethereum on for these activities. So the first thing to do is Zksync should be like a priority. They've talked about this year. It should really be a priority. Like at different points in time, make sure you're performing different activities on Zksync. So first thing to do is you go to bridge.zksync.io bridge.zksync.io. So this is saying to connect to MetaMask. So I'm going to okay. So I've connected my wallet. So you're going to see what you should do. You're trying to deposit from your mainnet to Zksync Era mainnet. So that Ethereum that you already have, let's say you have $100 Ethereum on your Ethereum mainnet. Our advice that you do these activities around midnight, so the gas fee will really be less, like around the night when people are not really engaging in these activities, because in the middle of the day transaction fee can be very crazy, can be at the top of so like right now they say that approximate gas fee can pay now is $25. You get, and to think that some weeks ago we're paying less than $5 to engage on this thing. So so you keep checking. If you can afford this amount of gas fee, fine and good, you can pay it and go ahead. So you check you check the ETH you have, and then you put the quantity, and then it's going to appear, and then you click deposit. So within 5 minutes your Ethereum will appear on Zksync Era. So what you're doing is that you're moving the Ethereum. So first thing first, buy Ethereum maybe from Binance, or anywhere, and then you deposit it to your wallet, to your MetaMask wallet, to any wallet you're using. But in order to participate very well in crypto activities, I would always prefer wallet extensions, which is why I'm saying you should use these browsers, Kiwi or MySys. But if you're an iOS user, iOS users, maybe you might need to just try it out on your MetaMask, the actual MetaMask wallet, mobile wallet, or you can try it out on SafePal or BitKeep, using your DR browser, or then if you have a laptop, it's way easier on laptop. So you just simply use your Brave browser and install Brave browser and install MetaMask browser extension, so that you can easily do all of those things. So then you deposit, you copy your Ethereum address there, and send Ethereum from wherever, maybe from your Binance exchange, and send it there. So when you send it, it's going to appear on Zksync. It's going to appear on Zksync. So you're moving within 5 minutes. It's going to appear on the Zksync mainnet. So the next step will be to do some activities on decentralized exchanges on Zk. So what you just did now is bridging. So you can try to, you're bridging. You bridged from Ethereum to Zksync. You can bridge back at different points in time. You can do this, bridge to Zksync, bridge back to Ethereum. Keep doing that, so you can create transaction volume across the bridge. So this is number one task. So the second task will be to use some dexes, some centralized exchanges on Zksync. So, and when one of them will be syncswap.xyz, syncswap.xyz. So syncswap.xyz is just is an it's centralized exchange. So now you already, this is like on Zksync now. This is under the assumption now that that bridging, the reason why you did the bridging first is so that you can have some funds on Zksync. Now you move the money to Zksync. It's going to cost you very little fee to do activities on Zksync. So it's just the expensive part is bridging from Ethereum to Zksync and sending some funds from Ethereum to Zksync. So you need to pay that fee there. But when you get to Zksync, it becomes cheaper. So here, all you just need to do is swap your ETH, to USDC. Swap it back. Just do that, and do that, and just keep. So you do that. You swap. Just create some transaction volume, and just also always make sure that your wallet is connected, like I just did now. I just switched my network from Ethereum network to Zksync. That's what just happened now. I clicked the connect and it connected me to Zksync Era, so my wallet is connected now. So you just repeat the swaps weekly, monthly, as often as possible, so you just create volume there. So next is to go to the top place to go to is, you can also, now there's this exchange. Let's get to that part. So next is to go to app.mute.io. I'm going to drop all these websites beneath this video so that you know what to do. I'm going to drop this beneath this video so you know which person to try. So this is like a one-time thing, just keep trying. So app.mute.io, app.mute.io. So these are different platforms on Zksync you can practice with. So this place too, you can also swap. You practice your swap. So what you're trying to do is you're trying to use different platforms on Zksync so you connect your wallet, and you do your swap. You just swap from one token to the other. Swap, you send, you get. So you select your token you want to send, Ethereum, and put the amount, and then you send, you get, and all of that. So this is like you trading. If you're already used to trading on what do they call it, Uniswap, this should be quite easy for you. So remember that first bridge is so that you can move some funds you can use and do all of this thing. So next thing to do is mint an NFT. So you go to mintsquare.io /mint. So in this mint NFT now, we're getting there. I made a mistake. mintsquare.io mintsquare.io. So it's opening now. So you see, to just mint an NFT, remember you still have some Ethereum. So you upload an image you want to mint, select an image in your phone or laptop, you name your NFT, describe it, you put an external link that leads to the real file of your NFT. Maybe it's on a Google Drive or something, or you upload it to IPFS, and then you add some attributes to your NFT, and then you click mint, and you mint your NFT. So Another thing you can do to increase your chances is participate in this agent minting. Agent is doing a lot of NFT minting. This is like already like third week, so I'm going to see if I can share um, updates on that. So the idea is you're doing a lot of activities on Zksync to qualify for the airdrop. Next one will be to mint a Zksync domain, a domain name. So a domain name, let's say you go to excuse me, go to app.zkns.domains, and so when you do this, so like as usual, you make sure you connect your wallet. So the idea is to buy a domain name. You know what domain names are? Just like Valicop now, Valicop Global. We bought the domain name valicopglobal.com. That is a domain name. We bought it. So so here now you can search. So you can have valicop.zk. I will search to see if it's available. So it's available. So I'll buy it. So this is the price, 0.0028. If I click it now, so I'll use my ETH to buy. So that's about $5 and all of that. So I buy it. I click on register and then I buy the name. So that's another activity to do on this. So you can also join the waitlist for agents, Zksync Era waitlist. I'm going to drop the link to. Next to do is to go to orbiter.finance. Now you have done all these activities, and then so this is Zksync Era. This strategy I'm showing you now is Zksync Era. There's also Zksync Lite. Zksync Lite was existing before you upgraded to Zksync Era. So I'm going to just do a brief about that too. So we go to, after this place now, you go to orbiter.finance, orbiter.finance. Now remember your funds are still in Zksync. They're on Zksync, you're using it. So what you're going to do now here is you're going to use this orbiter.finance now to bridge your Ethereum back to the mainnet. So this is it. So we're trying to use Zksync Era. So your funds are on Zksync Era, so you just bridge it back. You put the quantity of your ETH remaining. After all these activities, you can put the funds that are remaining on your Zksync Era, and then you bridge it back to Ethereum, and then you created the activities. So this is Zksync Era strategy. So I'm going to do Zksync Lite strategy for you. If you have any questions, just make sure you drop your questions in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they don't miss on Zksync Era. This is like one of the major airdrop you should do this year. And if you need more clarity on anything, just always ask. I'll always do another video to explain it and all of that. So just know that this is going to cost you some funds. So be ready to bring out some funds for these activities, and it's something that you have to do like over time to create a lot of volume for yourself for this airdrop. So I hope this really helps you.